This is Angie's Insights. 1206 is doing things that make you happy. That would be the number 1. We create our own reality. 2 has a positive outlook to find our purpose in life. Don't take yourself so seriously. Why so serious? Let's put a smile on that face. And then 0 is intuition. Because I'm an intuitional motherfucker over here. And 6 is possessions or money. I don't possess many things, and I definitely don't got money, honey. Let's get this ball rolling. Believe in angel numbers. Believe that good things will come to you. You bring energy, and what you want in life will come to you the more and more you believe. So, Goose Fraba, let's meditate. Do your hair tomorrow. Dress nice, put on some makeup, and give love. Not war. War, what is it good for? Absolutely nothing. Say it again. This is Angie for Sprites Insights. What a time, motherfucker. What a time.